Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys glitch, you should just go to settings and you will enter. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of Stumble Guys and you will enter. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete all your informations on your application. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.